After being on the keto diet for 4 months now, I can confidently tell you about keto flu symptoms. What are the symptoms of keto flu? How to avoid keto flu, and what are some foods or drinks you can consume to help with keto flu symptoms? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's title, I will be talking about keto flu symptoms. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I do go live there, and also don't forget to like and subscribe here. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video. Now let's get into today's video. What is keto? Keto is a diet that focuses on high fat, adequate protein, and low carbs. What is the keto flu? The keto flu is when you experience flu-like symptoms due to starting the keto diet. Symptoms of the keto flu are dizziness, headaches, fatigue, tiredness, lack of motivation, and of course, nausea. The keto flu happens when your body is adjusting to ketosis. It also may indicate imbalance in nutrition, such as low potassium, low magnesium, and of course, low sodium. It may also be your body reacting from dehydration, sugar withdrawal, fuel source adjustment, and of course, electrolyte imbalances. How can you avoid the keto flu? You can start to exercise, you can drink more water, you can add electrolytes to your diet. Foods that help with the keto flu are sodium-rich foods. Those foods include salt, bacon, bone broth, salted nuts, and pickles. Magnesium-rich foods will help as well. Those are foods such as seaweed, seeds, avocados, and leafy greens. Potassium-rich foods, spinach, broccoli, mushrooms, zucchini. So, drinks on the keto diet. The keto diet just consists of drinks without sugar, so sweetener is okay to consume. So drinks you can consume without hesitation are coffee, tea, diet pop. Anything that usually has diet is okay. You just have to double check because some of those drinks raise your insulin, which in turn might kick you out of ketosis, and you don't want that. So I usually stick to drinks that I know have no additives in there, no sugar in there. I drink a lot of coffee and tea. I also drink Diet Pepsi like crazy and Diet Coke, but that's just me. You don't have to drink those drinks. Double check with the kind of sweeteners you decide to buy because some of them aren't so good for you. Some of them will cause irritable stomach. So I would just double check with those sweeteners. There was a sweetener I tried before erythritol. So I use just erythritol because that is the best one for me. But there was one that I tried before. I think it's called xylitol. And that one just, sorry for too much information, but that one just sent me to the washroom every time I drank it. So I stopped drinking that. Good thing I didn't buy a whole bag of it. I just had a little bit to taste and I was like, no, that's not gonna work. Stevia, a lot of people use stevia. Just double check with your stevia. Some of them might knock you out of ketosis. Just double check with those. If you're worried about electrolytes, there's drinks that are literally just ketones that you can add to water, and they're flavored, and you can just add those, and that will help you with the keto flu. Not everyone experiences the keto flu, so don't be afraid to start trying keto. It is a great diet, and if you're considering it, of course I'm here to help. You can comment down below, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today's video. I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.